Hey guys, welcome back to Young Founders Club. Are you ready to take your startup to the next level? I'm talking real growth, real impact. Whether you're just starting out or you're looking to scale, social media is your secret weapon. It's how you connect with your audience, build that brand love, and ultimately, drive those sales. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly how to use social media to grow your startup. We're talking actionable steps you can take right now. And because we want you to win, I'm even sharing some of my favorite tools to make your life easier. Stick around, you don't want to miss this. First things first, what do you want to achieve? More followers, more website traffic, more sales? Figure that out, and then you can pick the right platforms and content. You don't need to be on every platform. Focus on where your audience hangs out. Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, or Facebook. Pick one or two and dominate them. Content is king, but engagement is queen. Educate, entertain, inspire. Give your audience a reason to hit that follow button. Chapter 4. Build a content calendar. Consistency is key. Plan your content in advance so you're not scrambling at the last minute. Tools like Buffer or Hootsuite can be lifesavers. Chapter 5. Engage with your audience. Don't just post and ghost. Respond to comments, answer questions, build relationships, because that's how you turn followers into customers. Chapter 6. Leverage paid advertising. Want to reach a wider audience? Paid ads are your friend. Target your ideal customer and watch the leads roll in. Chapter 7. Use influencer marketing. Partner with influencers in your niche to tap into their audience. It's like word-of-mouth marketing on steroids. Chapter 8. Analyze and optimize. Track your results, see what's working, and adjust your strategy accordingly. Data is your best friend, use it. Crush it! There you have it, my 8 steps to social media domination. Remember, stay consistent, engage with your audience, and always be testing and optimizing. The tools I mentioned are linked in the description, so go check them out. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more fire content, and let me know in the comments what you're struggling with. Let's crush it!